Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to make this easy bread pizza sandwich. First take a fry pan, then add oil, then add a piece of bread, then add 1 tablespoon of pizza sauce, then add some cheese, then put some vegetables which we have already prepared. Then again add cheese on top. Then add another piece of bread on top. It will become cheesy on both sides. Now put the lid on and bake it for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, flip it in the opposite side. Now let's open the bread and you can also see how cheesy it became. Now let's add some chili flakes and oregano. Putting the cheese first was a mistake, so we opened the bread and put the chili flakes and oregano. Now again bake it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes it is baked well, so serve it. Now it's done. Now let's cut it in 4 pieces. If you have little cheese and 2 breads, you should make it quickly or the cheese and bread will be over. It is also gonna be a very yummy snack. After 10 minutes it is baked well and it is also very cheesy and delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.